console lead into my Cisco switch. I'm using Hyperterminal to connect. You can use PuTTY or any other terminal emulation program. I'm going in on COM1, and the settings are 9600, 8, none, 1 and off on none. If I hit return a couple of times, now I'm already at enable mode. I can tell by the prompt, but you probably won't be, so type enable. And then, because we're going to change the configuration, type in conft or configure space terminal. Now to configure Telnet access, do a line space VTY 0 space 15 and set the password. In this case I'm using Cisco in lowercase, and end with a login command. To jump back to config mode, simply type exit. Now to connect in, it's going to need an IP address. You set a management IP address on VLAN 1. I'm setting a 172.16.254.230 with a 24-bit mask. And I'm setting the interface so it is not shut down. So I exit out of interface configuration. That's letting us know that that's up. Now you can't Telnet in and do anything without an enable password, so enable space password, and then again I'm using Cisco in lowercase. I'm setting a default gateway for the machine, just so I can access it from outside this network segment. And I'm also going to enable web management of the switch with a IP space HTTP space server. So let's just exit out of config mode and save our hard work with a write mem command. And that's saved. So let's test that works. Firstly, let's make sure that we can talk to it over the network. So from a parent machine, let's see if we can ping the IP address that I've set up. I can, and it's replying. So now it's on the network, let's make sure we can telnet to it. Now remember, I set all the passwords to Cisco in lowercase. Now it doesn't echo them to the screen, so you can't actually see me doing anything. That's where password in, go to enable mode, type password in once again, and just to prove it's not all smoke and mirrors, there's my running config. So I'm able to get in via Telnet. Let's just exit out of there. Let's see if we can get in by the web console. Now you will need Java installing. I'm going to go to the IP address that we've set. It doesn't look incredibly impressive, but if you open the web console link, providing you have Java installed, you'll need to put the password in once again. And it'll launch the CMS web management console for the switch. Set up and configured. And that's you done, and web connected on. Thanks very much for watching. Just exit out of that. Close that down. You can save it if you so wish. I'm not going to. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to come and visit us, www.peaknetlive.com.